And kids there are so many kids with type 2 diabetes. And so what kind of future do they have? These guidelines are leading to a situation where, by the age of 25 or 30, people are going to need dialysis because they've been diagnosed with type 2 when they were 6. And it's not a few people. If you go into online communities and you just ask, at what age were you diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, there will be, hundreds of answers of people who were diagnosed before their age. So, if you want to stop this, we have to collectively say, look, we're going to stop drinking sugar, because that's one of the big problems. Like, children cannot drink sugar, and that includes juice.
That's right.
And that includes smoothies. And our bodies cannot handle that fast influx.
We're here to pave the way for a new approach to preventing and managing chronic illnesses. Let's move forward together, and let's do this. Our health. Our rights. Our health. Our rights. Our health. Our rights. Our health. Our rights.
We are not here to be silent. We are here to raise our voices, to sing, to drum, to march, to hold hands, to make sure that we are heard. We eat eggs, and we are fierce.
People are sick and tired of being sick and tired. But together, we have the power to change. Now is the time. Welcome to the revolution.
Nutrition is the key to good health. Doctors are not taught nutrition, and good food is better than medication.
Let food be thy medicine, because we are moving forward and we're not turning back.
Despite the clear knowledge of the diseases, the causes, and their consequences, virtually no headway has been made in stemming the tide of this NCD tsunami.
Listening to the two keto dudes, the message was clear to put my mind at ease. Eat a low-carb diet for diabetes. It'll lower your sugar, lower your weight. 3 months later, I was feeling great.
Your good intentions have been stolen. I'm just here to try to help you get them back.
Changing the way I ate changed my life. I now have a life with a bright future ahead of me, a long future ahead of me.
We need to take action. And my personal mission is to end metabolic disease in our lifetime. Metabolic health is a birthright.
This revolution is brought to you by the extraordinary volunteers on stage with us today.
I always say this, y'all, healthcare versus self-care. Our health, our right.